Hi, this is Cayman with JLT Performance, and today we have the C7 Z06 that we're going to get on the dyno to see how much power we make without a tune. Our kit for the C7 Z06 comes with a tube that is a 5-inch tube, which requires a tune, as well as one that's designed to work with a stock math calibration. That's the one we're going to be installing today, and let's see how much power it picks up. Now we got it strapped down in the dyno. We're gonna get at least 2 runs back to back with the stock intake kit, hood down, see what kind of power we make. Then we're gonna swap over to the JLT and get 2 more runs back to back. So we just got the second run done. You can see here we got 521 horsepower on the first run, then 514, 594, then 588. So we'll use the best number out of the stock pull of 521. Now we have the JLT intake installed. We're gonna get 2 more pulls back to back and see what kind of power gains we make. So we got the pulls done with the JLT. You can see this is best versus best, stock versus the run with the JLT. 521 versus 553 peak to peak. And we saw some huge gains with the torque as well, closer over 40. Then right here, just about 32 horsepower gain. Again, this is with the no tune required intake. Let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.